Hey guys, today let's review Plusivo 22 AWG solid wire. I've been using this product over a year. The reason I need it is I need this classic wire for my breadboard. It works really well. I like this product because they come out with 5 different colors. There's a two-way you can get the wire out of it. You can from the side or from the top. I really prefer from the side because it has a white background. I can build my board. Everything's beautiful, very clean board design. And a couple of things I like it. First of all, is the standard size 22, and the other thing is it's actually tint inside. Let me give you an example. Let's cut this one. I just want to expose the inside of the wires. Inner side it has copper, and then the silver color is tint. Corrosion resistance. The second, when you solder this on the PCB board, is more easy to attract the solder. Just be aware, this plastic jacket is actually a PVC plastic jacket. So it's probably good for my indoor usage. It is a little bit sensitive to the UV lights. It's going to have an aging effect. But as I said, for my indoor DIY project, that's not a big problem. If you need something better quality, I would suggest to go ahead and purchase this silicone jacket. But again, 22 wires, I have no problem using the stripper with the 22 holes to get the PVC jacket out. 30 feet long, good quality. I like the different colors. This is my review. Thank you.